Hi, this is Richard and Luke from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a Holden Captiva, stock reference number 5843. This shape ran from the 1st of 2011 to the 6th of 2018. It has a Z22D1 4-cylinder 2.2 litre diesel engine backed by an auto all-wheel drive transmission. Here we have our Z22D1 4-cylinder 2.2 litre diesel engine. Our left-hand headlight. Left front wheel, factory alloy mag, 19-inch rim, good tyre. Left front guard, no dents. Bonnet, no dents. Left-hand mirror. Left front door, 1 dent. Left rear wheel, factory alloy mag, 19-inch rim, good tyre. Left hand tail light. Right rear wheel, factory alloy mag, 19-inch rim, good tyre. Right rear door, no dents. Right front door, 2 dents. Right hand mirror. Right front guard, no dents. Right front wheel, factory alloy mag, 19-inch rim, good tyre. Right hand headlight. Right front door trim. Right front master switch. Right front seat. Center console. Gear stick. Heat AC controls. Stereo head unit. Touchscreen display. Interior mirror. Left hand sun visor. Courtesy light. Right hand sun visor. Tidy 4-spoke leather steering wheel with audio, phone and cruise buttons.